Hello everyone, Tina here. I hope your day is going wonderful. Thank you so much for joining me. Well, today I am super excited to share with you something that I've been working on for a very long time. And finally I get to bring it to life and share it with you guys. I've been wanting to do an online card making class for a very long time, and so next October 1st will be my very first online card making class. I have a site that's called Cardmaking Fundamentals, and that's where my online card making classes are. And so I get to share with you. I'm very excited about it. Now, the online card classes are actually free for everybody to enjoy, but what makes it special is there's coordinating lesson kits that you can purchase if you prefer to craft along with me during the class. So you actually have the same supplies that I'll be using. I did create an intro for my card making fundamentals, and I'm going to play that right now for you to tell you a little bit about the online card making course. And then when I'm done playing the intro, it's just about a 2-minute intro, but when I'm done, I'll be back here with you. I'm going to share with you a little bit more about card making fundamentals. Hello everyone, Tina here. I hope your day is going wonderful. Thank you so much for joining me. Well, today I am super excited to share with you something that I've been working on for a very long time. And finally I get to bring it to life and share it with you guys. I've been wanting to do an online card making class for a very long time, and so next October 1st will be my very first online card making class. I have a site that's called Cardmaking Fundamentals, and that's where my online card making classes are. And so I get to share with you. I'm very excited about it. Now, the online card classes are actually free for everybody to enjoy, but what makes it special is there's coordinating lesson kits that you can purchase if you prefer to craft along with me during the class. So you actually have the same supplies that I'll be using. I did create an intro for my card making fundamentals, and I'm going to play that right now for you to tell you a little bit about the online card making course. And then when I'm done playing the intro, it's just about a 2-minute intro, but when I'm done, I'll be back here with you. I'm going to share with you a little bit more about card making fundamentals. Hello and welcome to Cardmaking Fundamentals, an online creative card making classroom with lesson kit options. Today I'm super excited to share with you a little bit about card making fundamentals, starting off with our 4 classroom projects. There is a brand new classroom that happens every month, and together we can create 4 amazing cards, each with an individual classroom lesson. All of the projects are coordinating with a theme for the month. Next, let's talk about our lesson kits. Lesson kits are in limited quantities and are available for purchase 1 month prior to the classroom schedule going live. This way, when the classroom schedule goes live, you'll have your kit and you can be ready to create. They are pre-designed and hold all the materials to create, well, almost all the materials to create 4 amazing custom handcrafted cards. When do classes go live? On the first 4 Fridays of the month. Classes are free for everybody to enjoy, and with the help of the online tutorial videos, you can create at your own pace, at your own convenience. What supplies will you need? Not too many. Everything is included, almost everything is included in the lesson kit, but you will need glue, scissors, a tape runner. Oftentimes you'll need a select color of ink, a stamping block, and also a stamp cleaner. There is a lesson PDF available for download to print out. We're calling it a homework sheet. It lists everything that you need for the class, what's included in the lesson kit, and 4 color project pictures. Hi, my name is Tina and I'll be your classroom instructor. I have a card making YouTube channel and blog called Cards and Coffee Time. I'm excited to share the creative classroom with you. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. First, order your classroom lesson kit. Second, mark your calendar with the classroom schedule dates. Third, prepare your workstation with the supplies that you will need. And now, you're ready to create. Thank you so much for stopping by. Ready, set, let's create. Together we can put the fun in card making fundamentals. So that was my intro. That is actually over at cardmakingfundamentals.com, and I'll leave that link down below if you guys want to browse the website. It has October's classroom. It's already there. It has how much the lesson kits are. It has the lesson intro. Every month I'll have a lesson intro, so you could basically check out what the kit is before you want to buy it. Kind of look before you buy kind of option, which is nice, because I know a lot of people, maybe you don't celebrate Christmas, so you don't want December's kit or November's kit. So I am excited about the classroom. I think it's going to be so much fun. I do want to let you guys know that the classrooms are in real time. Like this right now is a voiceover, but the classrooms are not. So the audio is a little bit different. Maybe I'll share a little piece of how the audio will sound at the end of this video, but it's in real time, so it's not sped up, it's not slowed down. It is pre-recorded, but it's in real time, which is really nice. If the doorbell rings, I've mentioned this before in my intro, but if the doorbell rings or my phone rings, it's just life happening. So I thought it would be fun, and it's more like we're crafting together too. And since they are pre-recorded, you guys can watch it at your convenience. Now I have, while I'm doing a Try It Out Tuesday, I thought I would share with you a little tote that I'll be using for the classroom. Now this little tote I picked up over on Amazon, and I'm sharing it with you because it's great for travel. I know there's videos on what people use in their travel bag for crafting, but this is a great little bag for travel. It's really not that big, and it's a purse insert. I picked it up over on Amazon. It's very good quality too. It has almost a 5-star rating, and I love it because there's so many different pockets in here. The size of it, I'm going to bring in an A2 size card to show you actually the size. It's about 5 inches wide and 9 inches long, and it's meant to go in a little handy over-the-shoulder tote bag, so you can bring it to the beach if you wanted to. You just put it in your little beach bag. I have a luggage that has a coordinating over-the-shoulder bag, and this is what I put in that bag whenever I go on a vacation or go traveling. I've taken this on a cruise before. It's been a long time since I've been traveling anywhere, but with things kind of hopefully getting back to normal, I thought I would share my little bag here. The little piece on the inside actually comes out, and I have a paper trimmer in there, a little craft mat, and I thought it'd be perfect for my classroom. So I picked up another one. I have one for travel, one for my classroom, and I thought we would just go over everything that's in it, and then you can see what all fits basically. Okay, so we'll start off with the paper trimmer. This is the cutest little paper trimmer in the world. I love it. It's only about 6 inches tall. I'm going to grab a card base, which is in the very front pocket. I keep my card bases in there, but you can see the size of it. It's not bigger than an A2 size card front. It's from Fiskars, and I like that there's little grips on the bottom. It's very, very lightweight, so it won't overload your shoulder when you have your bag over there, and it cuts your A2 panels lengthwise, vertically and horizontally. That's why I like this paper trimmer. So that's in there. You won't necessarily use this for the classroom, maybe every once in a while, but I like to have it on hand. I also keep a paper bag in here because when I do crafting on the go, and some tape you can see there, but I open it up and tape it down to the desk or the table that I'm working on. That way I don't have a mess, and I can these are actually lunch bags. You can buy a package of 50 or 100 for like $1, and so I just stick a couple bags in there, and then I tape them down to my work surface. When I'm done crafting, I can just throw them away. So that's what I have that brown bag in there for. I also have, and put this my card base back. This is a craft. There's my phone. That's what you hear during the live, not really live, but during the classroom. This is a nice little craft mat. I have this for when I do crafting on the go, because I don't want to ruin my surface or anybody else's surface. This little craft mat actually comes with a ruler and a craft knife. The point of the craft knife is nice for detailed areas that you need to push and pull stuff in. There's a point on there, and then this is your little craft knife. It actually works really good. You would just line it up with your ruler. If you don't have a trimmer or don't want a trimmer, this is a nice option with a ruler. I'm going to grab some scratch paper. You can actually see the project that I'm making this project will be coming soon to September 6th. Just a little sneak peek, but it trims paper beautifully. And then the craft mat, the ruler, the craft knife, it also comes with a refill with like 10 or 12 blades that you can replace with your craft knife. So that will be listed down below. So that fits in my little case beautifully. And then also my mini Misty fits in here. I don't always keep that in there because I often use it for my videos, but it does fit in there. And also has lots of pockets. I have a little a flatter acrylic block. I have a wider one up front. And then I also keep both of my scissors in here. I have both my glues. I have my fancy glue and then my Hero Arts precision glue. I keep 3 ink pads in there. I have Memento Tuxedo Black ink. I have a VersaFine ink. This little purse insert actually has a little chain. If you want to connect your scissors, well, I don't know if you'd want to do that, but you can connect anything. Maybe a little coin purse, or I don't know. But I don't want to loop my scissors. I'll probably not get them undone because the handles are pretty thick here. But I think it's meant to connect for keys maybe, or even to connect to your travel purse that you put this in. But that is my little travel bag. I thought I would share it with you. And oh, I wanted to share with you there's a nice gold zipper on the inside. So lots and lots of pockets, and then on the side here you'll see these little sewn areas. That's actually Velcro that's keeping the insert little piece here connected on the inside so it doesn't shift around. But you just remove it. The Velcro comes off pretty easily, and then you have this for a little desk work area thingy. I just think it's so nice. And I'm happy I get to share this with you too, because I've been wanting to do this for a long time, so I thought this was a good opportunity. It's not too wide, and it's really perfect for purses. There's lots of them over on Amazon, but I found this one had a good rating, and then there's also an insert that comes in and out. I'm going to share with you a little bit more about the card making fundamentals real quick. Every month there's a brand new classroom. And also, if you sign up at cardmakingfundamentals.com, I can email you when the classes go live, which is really nice. So you would just put in your email, and then I can send out emails when the classes go live. If you have any questions for me, guys, just leave them down in the comment section below, or there's a contact sheet over at cardmakingfundamentals.com, and I'll answer it via email if you prefer it that way. But I've been working on this for quite a long time, and you can see as many videos as I post that I don't have too much time, but I think we're up and running, and I know there's going to be a few little quirks that I have to work out as far as the website is concerned, but I'm a work in progress, let's say that, because I basically am learning everything on my own. I didn't hire any designers or anything. I just did it all on my own, and so it's gonna be super fun. I hope you guys can join me. Thanks for stopping by. Have a fabulous day. We'll see you soon, guys. Bye-bye.